Hello guys, I am back with another exciting unboxing. So as you guys can see, I have the package here. Just by looking at it, I don't know if you guys could guess where it is from, but I think this is my very first time to purchase from them. But anyway, they actually wrap it like this. It came out like this, and I have obviously opened it and removed all this tags and everything, and I am so ready to reveal my, oh my gosh, I am so excited. So right there, Fashionphile. This is my very first purchase from them. My gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness, I can see the confetti right here. Wow, the confetti is actually gorgeous. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. This is my very first time, so I just love this packaging right here, even though the box is a little bit beat up when it arrives. So anyway, oh my gosh, it's here. But before that, there were like other stuff. Oh, this is the nail file. I guess everybody's already familiar with this. And then what is this? Oh, this is like a thank you note right there. And then the item is right here. Oh, it was actually wrapped on this paper right here. Used is the new. Fashionphile.com. Okay, so they just wrap it like this. Oh, let me open. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this, guys. Oh my gosh. So here it is, and they actually put it in their own dust bag, but the dust bag seems to look a little bit strange right here. Yeah, this is just more likely like some sort of fabric though that they put Fashionphile in it. So that's how it looks. And then let me just take a peek on the inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so let me just fold this one first and show you what I got. And it is, oh my gosh, it is a wallet. It is an Hermes Kelly wallet. Oh my gosh, look at the color, guys. Look at those beautiful, lovely color. Oh my goodness. I mean, I don't know, but I've been asking my essay from Hermes to keep an eye on the Kelly wallet, any Kelly wallet in this color. This is in Rouge Tomate, and oh my gosh, this is the exact color that I wanted. And it's been like over a year, and she said, I don't know when it's gonna come by. Will it ever? She wouldn't know. But then again, oh my gosh, I was at the website on Fashionphile and I saw this. And okay, I was thinking, because this is already used and I am not used, like, to be honest, I rarely buy used items for a lot of reasons, and especially with the wallet, guys, especially with the wallet. I always buy wallets brand new, always. But maybe there's an exception for everything. But because I was so desperately wanted to get this color, and it's been like a long time. It's such a long time though. So anyway, so this is okay. So this is the certificate of authenticity, an Hermes Epsom medium Kelly wallet Tomate, comes with dust bag. So this item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. So snip the tag to make this beauty yours. No returns once removed. Oh, that's very interesting. So this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, I just love the color. The color is amazing. So the color is more likely a red color with more likely an orange undertone to it. It's like in a reddish coral color. So it's not like red. So I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to actually explain the exact color for this, because yeah, it's the reason why I purchased this. And this one is made up of this beautiful Epsom leather. So I said, no matter what happens, I wanted to get the Epsom leather. Definitely. It's like, I think one of the most durable for me personally. So I prefer Epsom and on my wallet. So anyway, oh my gosh. So, okay, this one is the Kelly closure right here with this gold-plated hardware. Oh my goodness. So let me open this right there. Okay. Wow. And the hardware, it's something that I wanted. I always wanted the gold hardware. I mean, I'm not really crazy about the palladium, but if ever I'm going to get a Kelly or a Birkin, it is going to be a gold-plated hardware. Look how gorgeous that is. So let's open it inside and see what we have here. It seems like I am actually seeing, okay, so this is the dust bag. Okay, wow, they actually put the dust bag just like this. So it comes with the dust bag as being described on the website. So they just put it like this. Very nice. It's large enough. And then this is the inside. Wow. Look at that lovely color inside. Wow. This part right here, this side, oh wow. It's absolutely amazing. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots. And for some reason, as you guys can see right here, the corner, it seems to look like the card slot has been like stretched out. So I had a feeling that the owner for this, the previous owner, actually used probably doubled or tripled this card slots right here, because I could literally see that has been stretched out. But so far right now, it is so bright right here. As I was looking at it, there's no rips. That is really good. That's nice. And there's a pocket right here at the back. Very lovely. And then this one right here, this is the zip pocket right here for your change. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, I actually saw this on the website that the change purse right here is very dirty. So I'm gonna give you a closer look of that thing. Yeah, it is so filthy, guys. Maybe the previous owners really used a bunch of coins, but I don't know. It's just like extreme. Look at that. It is so extreme. I don't think I would use my wallet just like this. But yeah, it is so dirty. It's so filthy right at the change pocket right here. And yeah, I could have this one clean before I could use it, obviously. And look at that, this closure right here, the zip closure with the lock in it. And also at the bottom, it says they're Hermes. And then the H right here at the edge. Very smooth. It's still functional though. Very smooth, very lovely. And then there is like the bill pocket right here. Seems to look like it is clean though. Looks like it hasn't been used. I didn't see any sort of like stained or anything like that. Wow. So far the only problem that I see, I don't think it's a problem, the issue is like this one is very, very dirty right here. Wow. So okay, I'm just gonna have to put the on the description down below the measurements. I will still have to measure this after I do my vlog so that you guys have a reference. Wow, this one is absolutely, look at the, so this one is says right here Hermes patty made in France. Obviously they're all made in France. Wow, the grain is actually, it's glossy. Wow. The color is so deep and it's so supple, guys. Yeah, it has a very deep red orangey color. It's so amazing. Wow. And also right here, let me just close it like this so you guys, so yeah, this one right here, yeah, close like this, like that. So that's how it looks. Earlier, it's more likely it's very thick because they put the dust bag right there. At the back, wow, it's very, very shiny. And then, yeah, this is where it actually leads right here in the front, the closure. Very nice. The glazing so far, the glazing is not that bad. Maybe I could ask the spa to have this reglazed. I don't know. But so far it is looking pretty fine. Wow, this one is actually holding up pretty well for, I don't know. It says there this was crafted in 2016. So, and it's still looking pretty good, even though that the previous owner has a lot of uses on this beauty, guys. It is so lovely and I love it. Definitely. And then I know the regular price for this. If you buy it brand new, it's like at least almost like $3,500. And I got this in a pretty good price though. Really reasonable price for an Hermes thing. And I originally I was thinking of the classic long wallet. It's a little bit like bigger than this. And then it's so hard to find the color. I mean, to me, the color really matters. So when I saw this on Fashionphile and it said, oh, this is the exact color that I wanted, the exact leather that I wanted, and I jumped in it. Definitely, you know, because there are other colors right there that I could purchase from Hermes store, really. But this particular color, maybe this is a seasonal color, but I am still on the wait list for that. And yeah, I was so excited, guys. And I had a feeling that I might end up sending this for an Hermes spa or have this one fixed before I used it, so that to prolong its lifespan for this beauty. But the leather, wow, this leather is so supple. It's so beautiful. Wow, lovely. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.